skill.
Cutting skill. You have cutting skill?
Yeah, potato cutting skills. I use this because it's way easier than using a knife.
Okay, move back. Okay, stay there.
What should you name your video on?
Potato cutting skill with Victoria
and Mommy.
So hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. This is a cooking video with my daughter Victoria. Victoria, turn around and say hi.
Hello.
What are we making today?
We are making mashed potatoes and we're cutting the potatoes.
And whose mashed potato is this?
Mine.
Victoria's favorite meal. Mashed potatoes.
This thing. I've only cut one potato so far. Or I didn't even finish one potato. I'm still on this one.
So I'm using what is it? What's this potato? The yellow potatoes. So this one is not roasted. I think you can use any potatoes. It's just that this one is more creamier when you make it. I normally cook it in bulk, but I'm going to take you along throughout the whole process of making the potatoes, mashed potatoes, so you can see how we make it. This one is very, very creamy and yummy. Okay, so just
no one eats it except for me.
No, Abigail eats it. Your daddy eats it. I like to eat mashed potatoes. Just that it's gonna make me even fatter than I am.
But that's how you want.
That's
how God made you.
We need to wash our weights so that we don't.
That's just how you are.
You know, nobody's born fat like that. Alright, while the potato is cooking on fire, I'm going ahead to start prepping the vegetable. I'm using broccoli and carrot. As always, I add a little bit of vinegar and baking soda into the water while I'm to wash the vegetables, because it helps to remove some of the pesticide they spray on the vegetables. So that's basically what I'm going ahead to do here. I cut it to bite size and I will just boil it. You will see the rest of the video though. I want to season the vegetable very well. You cannot cook anything without salt, so I'm adding some salt, and I'll add other seasoning. This is black pepper, ground black pepper. I'm going to add some sesame seed oil. I'm going to add this is oregano that I'm adding here. So I want to season it very, very well. Vegetable doesn't have a lot of taste on its own, and because this is for my children, you have to make the vegetable palatable for them to eat, for them to agree to eat. But they actually like broccoli on its own, but I still have to add some flavor. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. After after adding everything, I just toss it around and then put it on fire to cook. I don't cook it for so long because they're going to also, so what I'm adding here is garlic and ginger. It's mostly ginger, it's more of ginger than garlic that I blended. I think I roasted it, blended it, and then put it in the fridge, so it's easy for me to just put it in anything that I'm cooking. Very, very handy. And also here, this is granulated onion, which is onion powder. I just add it, so it's a lot of the vegetable is actually well seasoned. Yeah, that's how I like it. If you don't like to add any seasoning to your vegetable, you don't have to, you know. It's all up to your preference. So I just transferred the vegetable onto the other stove and then brought the potatoes here so you guys can see because there's more light on this side than the other side of the stove. And now I think the potato is done, so it's time to start mashing. So it's time to season the mashed potatoes. So I've mashed it to my desired texture. If you want it, so this one has lumps. The mashed potato has lumps. If you don't like the lumps in mashed potato, I think there's something else that you can use to press the potato so it wouldn't have any lump. But this is how I like it. This is how we all enjoy it in my family. So I just use this potato masher. And what I'm adding is margarine. You can use butter. Sometime I melt the butter on fire and let all the water evaporate, and it's just pure oil that I'm adding, pure butter that I'm adding to the mashed potato. But sometime like today, when I'm not in the mood, I just add the butter straight to the mashed potato. The fire is still on a little bit. I put it down to low. I add the butter first so that it will melt, and as you can see here, I just mash it all together before I add the next ingredient, which is sour cream. Okay, if you don't, well, I don't think you're going to get a good creamy mashed potato without sour cream. So this one is the full fat, full everything sour cream. Okay, mashed potato, okay, is a comfort food. It's a hug me food. It's a feel good food. It's not a healthy food. If you're looking for healthy food, then don't come to mashed potatoes. Okay, this is a comfort food. That's what we're making here. So we don't look for alternative or look for healthier option. If you want to eat healthy, eat healthy. If you want to eat comfort food, eat comfort food with your full chest. Okay, don't feel guilty when you finish eating it. So this is our mashed potato. It is done, and this is our vegetable. It is well seasoned and done. It's not too done. And also I'm using this is meatballs. This is store-bought meatball. I didn't make the meatballs. This is Swedish meatball I bought from IKEA. And now that everything is ready, we are just going to pack it up into individual sizes, and then I'll put it in the fridge, not in the freezer, in the fridge, so that whenever they want to eat, they can just go and grab one and eat. It makes it easy for me. It makes life easy for me, especially the days that I go in the office. I know that when I come back, I don't even have to think about food. They can just go into the fridge and grab something and eat, and everybody is happy. So if you watch up to this point, I want to give a big thank you to you for watching up to this point. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. When I look at my analytics, it still tells me that majority of the people who watch my video are not yet subscribed. So why don't you subscribe? It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe to my channel. It just gives you access to my videos. Whenever I post a video, then you will know that I have posted a video. And also, when you subscribe, turn on the bell notification, the one that says all, so that you'll be notified when I post on my community, or when I post a new video, or when I post short. So you'll be notified overall on any content I put on my channel. All right, so I'm just putting the vegetable. After that, I'm going to add the meatballs and we will be done. Remember, leave me a comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. Actually, that's the first thing you should do when you start. Once you start watching a video, give it a thumbs up. It helps the creator of the video, the content creator, to know, okay, that you like the video, and also it helps the video to do well on YouTube, because then YouTube will be able to recommend it to other people like you who like similar videos. It helps the video to do well, and it helps the channel to grow, which helps the content creator, the person who created the content. Again, thank you so much for watching. The video is not quite done, but it's almost done.